Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas 47. Can you believe this is video number 47? That's absolutely crazy to me. But we have a fun project for you. We're gonna do another makeup brush holder. So what we're using is just a cleaned out candle jar from Bath & Body Works. This one was Pineapple Sunrise. You're gonna need that, your vinyl, which I am using the Rainbow Pink Glitter Flex Ultra Pressure Sensitive. So this is a sticker adhesive. It is available on our website. Look at that color. It is so pretty. It has the holographic glitter particles in it. You're also gonna need your Super Tack adhesive, some sand, especially if they don't have a big makeup brush collection, a pick, your Easy Weeding wooden pick, denatured alcohol or any type of alcohol or glass cleaner, a squeegee, and the file I am using today is from the Monogram bundle number 2 on craftbundles.com. I will leave it linked down below. Now remember, if you use that link, I do earn a small commission, but they gave me a code to use, which is Betsy, B-E-T-S-Y, all caps, 20, will save you 20% off of that purchase. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So I'm using the split makeup brush file, and the font that I use to type out my niece's name, because I'm making this for my niece, is the Arab brush stroke font. And I think that is one that is standard on the computer. I can't be for sure. Y'all don't realize how long I've had a lot of these files and things like that, so remembering everything or where I got them isn't always possible. Now if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see everything that we are going to do. So I've got the candle jar cleaned out, which I just took and used a fork and popped it out and then washed it really well. I'm using denatured alcohol to make sure that the glass is free of any dirt or debris, but you can use regular alcohol, glass cleaner, whatever you're comfortable with using. Now, so that's nice and clean. I've already cut and weeded the file, and I actually cut off the bottom of the design because I didn't want it to be too narrow, because this vinyl, which as I said is the Rainbow Pink Glitter Flex Ultra by Specialty Materials, their pressure sensitive glitter, doesn't like too much tiny detail. And I already put the transfer tape on it. But with a project like this, I wanted to use something really pretty. This is a Christmas gift for my niece. So now the easiest way to see what you're doing is to lay it in your lap. There we go. And the design is 3.5 inches wide. As I said, I removed the bottom because the jar is too short, but for a makeup brush holder, you typically want a smaller jar. So look how pretty that looks. Now, I purchased at the Dollar Tree some sand, and if your makeup brush collection or who you're buying this or making this for doesn't have a huge makeup brush collection, the sand comes in handy to keep your makeup brushes standing upright. And so I'm just going to cut the corner off of this. And the Glitter Flex Ultra, the pressure sensitive, is a little bit more difficult to work with than your standard adhesive vinyl, but I think the results are worth it. And see, that's a pretty coarse sand, but it is crystallized too. So it is very pretty for a girl. And you could easily make these and sell these. Just hold on to the lid to the jar so that way the sand doesn't spill out. And if you're making this as a gift, at Christmas time they have makeup brushes on sale all over the place. So with the sand in there, it holds the makeup brushes upright so you can see what you're working with. Look how adorable that is. And the only cost that I am out, because I used an old jar, is the cost of the vinyl, the cost of the file, the sand, which was $1, and then the makeup brush set, which, as I said, at this time of year, you can buy e.l.f. brushes, which are really, really good quality, for super inexpensive. Let's show how beautiful that is. There we go. It's better with the lights off?
Yeah, it's reflected back on.
But look how pretty that is. Is it picking up the rainbow glitter in that pink?
I think so.
So, but tell me that is not adorable to set on a vanity or on a desk. I absolutely love how this project came out. And this vinyl, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are interested in buying the monogram bundle, I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget to use the code Betsy, B-E-T-S-Y, all caps, 20, and that will save you 20% off of it, because the bundle by itself without the discount is $16, so that makes it about $12. And there's tons of monogram decorations in it, plus there's a lot of monogram fonts in it, so I think it's a pretty good deal. Other than that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below, and if you hit the notification bell icon that's right next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos, which right now for Craftmas is every single day up until December 21st. Don't forget to check out my other social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher, which is all things makeup and Disney and whatever else I'm in the mood to do that day. But I guess that's it, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye.